In this video, I wanted to share some helpful tips with you about applying compost or manure to your soil. It's always good to be informed, so here are a few things you should know. Before we start this video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. What kind of compost or manure are you looking for? Did you know that there are so many awesome options when it comes to compost and manure? Each type has its own unique nutrient content and properties. It's pretty cool, right? I'd love to share with you some common types of compost. Here they are. Number 1. Vegetable compost. This awesome compost is created using vegetable scraps, food waste, and other organic materials. It's a fantastic source of nitrogen and other essential nutrients. 2. Animal manure is a valuable resource that comes from the waste of our furry and feathered friends like cows, horses, and chickens. It's a wonderful source of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. 3. Wood chips. These are made from wood that has been chipped or shredded. That's great to hear. It's wonderful how it can provide carbon and enhance soil drainage. How is the condition of the soil? Before you apply compost or manure, it's really important to test your soil first. This will help you figure out what nutrients your soil needs. This will help you figure out the right amount of compost or manure to use. What kind of plants are you growing? Each plant has its own unique nutrient requirements. Make sure to use the appropriate type and quantity of compost or manure for your plants. What's the time of year? It's usually a good idea to apply compost or manure during the fall or spring seasons. This will allow the compost or manure to break down nicely before the growing season starts. How much should I apply? The amount of compost or manure you'll need to apply can vary depending on a few factors, like the type of compost or manure you're using, the condition of your soil, and the specific plants you're growing. It's usually a good idea to start with a small amount and then adjust as you go along.